Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I'm going to be showing you how to make a super sweet journal page for March, because for me spring really evokes a feeling of new beginnings and I thought this one would be a good one to share with you all today. I hope you enjoy. So I'm just going to talk through what you're going to need for this make. You're going to need the Sizzix cardstock, a watercolour set, the Sizzix new express glue. The dye we're going to be using is Bold Flora from chapter 1. It's got some gorgeous retro elements. We're also using a square framelit and you'll need your journal page. Start by die cutting your pieces for the background. Remember to also cut your square framelit, which the text is going to go on. That's all the die cutting done. These are all the die cut pieces you're going to need. I've chosen a really spring-like colour palette, including the Mango Tango, some greys and also the hot pink. Now we're going to create a light watercolour wash onto the background of your journal page. I've chosen to keep it quite light so it's quite subtle in the background, but you can go with a stronger colour like a blue if you wish to, or even the yellow to match the Mango Tango. Now your journal page is dry, simply start layering the flowers using the Sizzix Express Glue. That's all the gluing done, and now we're going to work on the text. So this is the card that's going to go on the front of your journal. I've used calligraphy style writing, but you can print this if you'd rather, or stamp it. I've used the phrase "let today be the start of something new." I'm just going to show you how to fill in that bit at the end. So I'm using a fine liner, and you can do it in pencil first. And you can even draw on pencil lines to keep it really nice and neat. Lovely. Now we're going to stick the sentiment onto the front. I'm actually going to use the foam tape for this, so it's got a little bit of height off the front of the page. You can tear it if you'd rather. So this journal can be used for habit tracking, it could be a mood diary, it could just be a journal, whatever you want. For a final touch, I'm just going to use some adhesive gems just to decorate some of the centres of the flowers. You can use your Sizzix tweezers if you're finding it a little bit fiddly. And there you have it, your journal is complete. Thank you so much for watching my vlog today. If you'd like more inspiration, please head over to the Sizzix website and also use the hashtag #MyMakingStory. We'd love to see what you've been doing.